Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to draw a great white shark today. Let's begin. Well, first, we draw one slightly big sea backwards sort of sea. Then another one. Then zigzags for the teeth. Backwards sea, then curve down, then for the fin. Then curve here, then for the other fin. We're gonna make it easier. Now, get a bigger curve to this side, and one little curve to this side. So we make one diagonal line, one straight line, a letter V, then up here, draw one little line, and then we draw another fin, then some keels. Then middle nostril. In this. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, how to draw a great white shark bite. I'm not done yet. Still gotta color it. Alright. Mistakes. Even if you go out of line of your drawing, it's totally okay. Now let's get back to fast forward. So, guys, thank you so much for joining this with me, and we'll see you on my next video. So, goodbye.